Hello, my friends and gems. So today I just wanted to share with you how I go about making a homemade organic bug spray, air freshener, and it's also a great cleaner for your countertops, your windows, your mirrors. It doesn't leave any streaks or anything. It's really so. Let me share with you the ingredients you'll need is water. So I don't use my tap water because that's got a lot of garbage in it that I don't want to be inhaling or absorbing through my skin. I find the cheapest vodka that I can find at Walmart, which apparently this Caliber brand, this whole bottle is like $10. It's not very much. And then I have organic cloves that I just get from, I probably got that from Sprouts. It's either Sprouts or Mother's Market or Whole Foods, but usually I get stuff from Sprouts and Mother's. And so you're going to need also a spray bottle like this, which I got from Walmart. Now, if you look on here, you'll see the ingredients. You see that I wrote there clove. You see that I wrote vodka. And I wrote also peppermint. So the ingredients that you'll need again is water, vodka, and peppermint. I'm just realizing right now that here's my little peppermint. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a couple of cups of water, and then you're going to boil it, bring the water to a boil, and then you're going to take a handful of your cloves, and you're going to throw it into the water once it's boiling. Once it's been boiling for about 5 minutes, then you're going to want to go ahead and let it simmer for about another 15 or 20 minutes, and then you turn it off and just let it cool off. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put 2 cups of water in this spray bottle here. And then you're going to put a cup of water of the clove water. So you're going to put the clove water in here. It's about 2 cups of clove water. You're going to put a cup of the vodka. And then you're going to take about 30 drops of the peppermint. And you're going to put it in here. And that's basically it. And then you can go ahead and you can spray this on your animals. You can spray this on people or kids as a insecticide or like a repellent from getting bit by mosquitoes. It works fantastic to clean your countertops. It does not, even though it has peppermint oil, it doesn't leave any streaks and it doesn't leave an oily residue. It leaves things really squeaky clean. I use it to clean my stove countertops. I use it to clean my glass. I have two porches, 2 balconies, so I use it to clean my sliding glass windows and sliding glass doors and my mirrors, and it just works really phenomenally well. I can also spray it on my plants. It'll keep aphids and other, bugs away from like whatever herbs that I have, or my aloe vera plant or pineapple that I've got growing out there. My fig tree that's growing out there, my olive tree, not a fig tree, it's an olive tree. So it works really phenomenally well. So I had someone tonight during my Zoom call who, that's something that just inadvertently came up. And so I wanted to share with you guys because they did ask for me to share how I make that. And I learned that years ago through a YouTube channel, a gentleman who I believe was in Washington. He used it to spray his kids, spray his cattle on his ranch. And he talked about how he used it the ways that I just mentioned to you. And I have found it to be, it's also great to repel ants. The thing why I brought it up today was because on a filing cabinet, I had like half a dozen, like 5, 6 ants on there. I'm like, that's so strange because your filing cabinet has just paper. So I don't know what attracted them, but there they were. And you can also spray it on your wall, and it doesn't harm. You can wipe down the wall afterwards, but it does repel the ants and then they don't come back. So that works out really well. All right, my friends and gems, you can also see the red light bulbs. I've told you guys that I've put infrared light bulbs. I don't use the LED lights here. I have incandescent clear bulbs and incandescent red light bulbs in the kitchen here as well. So you guys take care. Have a great rest of your evening, rest of your day, depending wherever you might be in the world. Thank you for watching, tuning in, tapping in, turning on. Do share this video with a friend. And I love you, and ciao for now. Bye-bye.